Hello everyone, hope you are doing very well. In our previous lecture, we have studied about how to reload the page automatically using the Python code. So, in today's lecture, we will be studying about how to make invisible column in notebook or in page of a particular custom module in Odoo 19. What I mean to say is, let's see here, let's go to our person's view and open any of the records. Now here you can see book issued. It is our one-to-many field which is related to the particular books, right? So you can see here three fields which we have added. Now what if I want to show particular column based on a condition, which means I want to suppose, let's say I want to hide this author name as per the gender. If the gender is female, I want to hide this column. So you may be thinking it is very easy. We can simply add invisible to this author name field. But if you make the invisible attribute for this particular field, only this record, not the header, only the below record will get invisible, not the particular header. What I currently want is to completely make invisible entire of the column. So in order to do that, we have to add the attribute to this particular field known as column underscore invisible. Let's see. Let's go to the code. Here I am already in the person's view. Here what I want to do, I want to make this entire book underscore author invisible. But before that, let me show you what happens if I add only invisible attribute. Invisible is equals to what I want based on gender, right? So I will simply add gender is equals to female. I need to add parent. Go to the apps, upgrade our module. Yes. Go to library management, any in person's view. Open any of the book. I will select as female. See, you can see when I have selected the female, the particular record value gets invisible, not the entire column. So what to do if I want to make the invisible the entire column? We need to add another attribute. Instead of invisible attribute, we have to add column underscore invisible. And what I did here, I simply forget this part. I have simply added a condition. If gender is equals to female, just make the column invisible. Now what is this dot parent do? It will basically call the parent model, which is our library dot person, cause library dot book is the sub model of this particular view. So what I have did, my field is in the library dot person model. So I have simply added parent. It is compulsory to add here parent dot followed by your field name, then appropriate condition. Now what I have done, I have simply add column underscore invisible instead of just adding invisible. Now see what happens. Go to the apps, upgrade our module, library management, person's views, opening the view. Now see, you can see the entire column gets invisible when the gender is female. If I click here male, you can see the author name is showing. So with the help of this attribute, you can make the entire column invisible. Let me summarize today's topic. In order to make the entire column invisible, only you have to add column underscore invisible followed by this particular condition. You can add any condition, but remember, if your condition is related to the main model, you have to add parent dot then followed by your field name. And this is very another important parameter is column underscore invisible. You have to use this when you need to make entire column invisible. If you want to make only the record value invisible, you can simply add invisible. I hope today's topic had been understood by you. If there are any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. Till then, thanks for watching.